Salam sejahtera. My name is Yunika Nugraheni. I would like to present our research entitled Analysis of Students' Engagement in the Process of Learning Mathematics Using a Flipped Classroom Approach to Trigonometry. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected many countries, including Indonesia. The government took certain steps in order to address the problem. One of those steps is social distance movement. The government decision has a tremendous impact on education. It leads to numerous policies, one of which is online learning. It was developed to reduce the spread of this outbreak. It is a learning activity that enables network as a communication medium, interaction, and facilities. It is also supported by a number of different learning services. However, there are several challenges to online learning, one of which is student engagement. According to the result of research conducted by Adri Nugraha, only 30% of students were fully engaged, while 33% were effectively involved. In comparison, 17% were less engaged and involved in online learning. An innovative learning approach using technology can be used to improve student engagement. The flipped classroom approach is one of several learning approaches that can be used. A flipped classroom encourages students to engage activity in class. This is supported by research indicating that this approach promotes active student engagement in classroom. Based on the background that has been provided, this research aims to identify the learning design and the impact of using a flipped classroom in engaging student engagement in learning mathematics. Our research method is use literature review by reviewing studies related to student engagement and flipped classroom. The research used a literature review by reviewing studies related to student engagement and flipped classroom. The researcher distributed the questionnaire after students had completed the flipped classroom approach to learning. A total of 39 students from the ex-social studies class participate in this research. The researcher used quantitative analysis to analyze student engagement based on the score of the completed student engagement questionnaire. The score was then divided into 3 categories. The following formula was used to set score boundaries in each category. The result and discussion. A flipped classroom is a learning technique that involves a blended learning approach by revising in the traditional learning environment and delivering learning content outside the classroom. And the student engagement is student engagement is also well understood construct with 3 components that include behavioral element, emotional aspect, and cognitive aspect. In learning using the flipped classroom approach, there are 2 states, namely the asynchronous and synchronous step. The duration of students watching learning videos, the data shown in figure 1 was derived from the statistic that reflect the percentage of time students spend watching videos on Edpass. We create the learning design using flipped classroom, then apply it. Based on the result of the questionnaire, we get the following data. According to table 3 and 4, the emotional engagement of the 39 students who participate in the class was moderate. It was evidenced by the small number of students who were less engaged. Further analysis revealed that students who was less engaged had a score of 8, which was pretty close to the description range of moderate engaged. Furthermore, it indicates that students were passionate and focused on following the activities in the classroom during the learning process, as evidenced by students responding quickly when the teacher delivered direction or question. And while discussing in group, students follow it with enthusiasm. Besides, the questionnaire result revealed that 24 out of 39 students were very enthusiastic about learning process. The observation result on Edpuzzle reveals that 72% of students viewed the entire video. It proved that students were interested in watching the learning video provided. Then, for cognitive student engagement, it was discovered that students were quite cognitively engaged during the learning process. It was demonstrated by the small number of students who were less engaged, namely 1 student, and the huge number of students who were quite engaged, namely 22 students. Furthermore, the result of the questionnaire showed that 22 of 39 students actively presented their ideas. When discussing in groups, students took notes and corrected their notes actively. The number of students who were moderate engaged and the small number of students who were less engaged demonstrate behavioral student engagement. According to the questionnaire result, 34 students paid attention to peers who expressed their ideas, and 38 students actively took notes on the subject studied. Furthermore, during the lesson process, students were actively participate when discussing in groups and in classical discussion. Based on Kahneman indicator, it can be concluded that students are generally engaged. By using flipped classroom approach, the students were enthusiastic, joyful, motivated, and focused on learning. Besides, the flipped classroom approach also enables students to be excited about solving the problems provided by the teacher. In addition, the students were able to actively engage in both group and classical discussion. It could be concluded that the learning design using the flipped classroom approach made the student actively engage in their learning in terms of emotion, cognition, and behavior. Furthermore, the result of this research also relevated that the flipped classroom approach had a significant effect in enchanting students' engagement. Thank you.